Hi, I'm Joy. Today I'm gonna make iatrosofia, traditional herbal remedies to heal the body using Cyprus native plants. Perfect for cold winter days. I started preparations back in November. Autumn is still warm in Cyprus, keeping some fruits on the trees. First thing you need to do is sterilize your jars. A simple way to do this is by boiling them in water. Let them dry completely before using. Our ancestors knew a lot about the native plants around them and how to use them to stay healthy. A wisdom lasting centuries, helping us fight sickness and heal our bodies. Andrachne, a small tree growing wild on the mountains of Cyprus. The fruits are edible and very beneficial. Cypriot folk medicine used them to treat colds and flu, stop bleeding, ease digestive issues, and soothe skin irritations. Maybe some pine needles will be good as well, famous for centuries for their respiratory health benefits, such as relieving coughs and congestion. Sumac. The berries make an amazing spice in the kitchen. They can also boost our immune system and are excellent for heart health, much like most red fruits in nature. Based on the ancient wisdom of plants' healing properties and various extraction methods, today I'll craft some of my own natural remedies. Wash everything really well. Andrachne berries. I'll make an alcohol extraction, a tincture. Pick the good berries from the branches. Pour in a 40% alcohol. I use diluted Zivania, and it's done. This method gives a great extract with long shelf life. I'm going to use the pine needles for 2 different preparations. Separate them and discard any dried ones. Dry them really well, preferably letting them completely sun-dry. First, I'll make a honey extraction. Add the needles to a jar and cut them to the right size. Then fill the jar with honey. Honey is known for its natural medicinal properties and is often used to ease cough and sore throats. Adding herbs to it makes it even more powerful and fragrant. With the rest, I'm crafting a tea blend for a sore throat. Simply cut them into small pieces. Be mindful, if they're not completely dried, the blend might develop mold. Add some dried mint, thyme, and chamomile. Then mix. These herbs bring soothing properties that really help ease a sore throat. Store the blend in a dry environment. I'm using sumac to create an immune support infusion. First, separate the sumac berries from the branches and place them in a sterilized jar. Rosemary and sage bring antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory benefits, while lemon adds vitamin C for immune health. Fill up with apple cider vinegar, an excellent liquid to extract and preserve the medicinal properties of fresh plants. Store everything in a dry area and let it infuse for at least a month. After 1 month, all the amazing properties from the herbs and plants have been absorbed into the liquids. Now, it's time to make the final remedies. You can use the honey straight from the jar, but I'll craft more remedies with it. It really smells like the forest. Fill the container halfway with honey. You can also use the vinegar infusion as is. Drink it or use it as a scented vinegar. It's an excellent immune support booster. Combining it with honey creates an oxymel, offering a sweeter and smoother taste. Also perfect for immune support. The suggested dosage for an adult is 1 teaspoon for up to 2 times per day. For the next one, create a cinnamon water infusion. Then add some honey. To this mixture, incorporate 1/3 of andrachne alcohol infusion. This is an old recipe that helps relieving colds, flu, and fever. It also serves as a fantastic syrup for soothing sore throats. While crafting these remedies, I realized that our traditions were rooted in the offerings of this land. Over time, this connection faded to both the land and our healing practices. Reconnecting with our surroundings and blending knowledge with ancient wisdom can bring new life into our heritage, discovering the potency of natural remedies.
Kalos tinggalos orises.
Teraz čaj.
Хорошо.